Yo, what is up, guys? We're at Jap Meet another month. Missed out last month because I was away, but we're back. The weather's nice and the turnout is looking quite nice as well. And you know what? We're just gonna get straight into it, because right opposite where we've parked up, we got this dope bagged purple Mark 1 NAMX5. So on the rotors, we got the spike wheels with the dust caps to match. Got the smoke tails, the big wing, the hard top, the roll bar and the harness bar, buckets, harnesses, even got the purple handbrake, steering wheel. And we've got the sick S13, it's the ice cream van, Type X 180 front bumper, 33 GTR wheels, relatively stock and clean interior. Just a nice nardy drift button on the handbrake. Nice sort of roof wing, sunroof model. And then got the Type X tails. This Evo 9, it's just rolling in as well, on white wheels. It's nice. FQ360, it's got a HAS sticker on there though. Some little hidden goodies in there. There's the MR. And there's the Speed 3 rolling in as well. Nice. Next up, we've got the JZX. And the work VSKFs. Carbon hoods. Nice little polo set there, but I'll take this beast any day. It's pretty nice sort of red Mark 1 MX5. It's pretty cool. Custom tail light lenses. Got the hard top, roll bar, Cobra buckets, OMP wheel. It's got a nice kit on it. It's got the sleepy eye look with the pop-ups. I know it's not Jet, but it is a Mark 1 Golf. Not a GTI, but loving the interior. It's looking nice. So yeah, I think it's just a base spec Mark 1 Golf. Alright, so we've got the Subi trio right here. 2 STI hatches, Hawkeye in the infamous blue and gold wheels. I am liking the front lip on this hatch. So I've got the stickers on the doors on this. It's got the single sticker on the window and this one and this one. Looking pretty stock, pretty clean. Let me know in the comments down below which one you're taking out the three. Once again, we've got the big Dodge Ram 1500 with the chunky tires. It's nice Mark II Golf GTR rolling in. Classic. Speaking of classics, got an old school Plymouth Hemi Cuda with the pistol grip shifter, 383 with the shaker hoods. Look at that, Mopar on the plate, sick. And of course, got appearance on another new set of Jap Meet regulars, the old TVPD. Just when I think I've seen everything at Jap Meet, we got an LP 570 Gardo Performante Spider. That's right. Lightweight 5.2 V10, 6-speed single clutch paddle shift, all-wheel drive. It's like how meaty the tires are on that. Always loved the style of Lambo's tail lights as well. The carbon rear diffuser, carbon side extensions down the bottom, Performante graphics, size, those calipers, the carbon rear wing, even got the expensive optional extra, the tricolor graphics, got the kind of ghosted stripes. So with the sick Jay-Z powered S13 hatch, massive single turbo on it. Look at the valve cover. Some nice metal flake in there. It's aggressive on the setup. Hydro, keys racing wheel, got the buckets, the cage. 326 power style wing, got the roof wing. Pretty stripped in the back. Got the Type X tails. The carbon Kevlar, RPS 13. Panel there. This thing looks nice. Jay-Z powered. Oh, shout out to you by Luke. A red, relatively stock looking Supra just rolled up. Speaking of red Supras, got one that I've seen actually locally in my area quite often. I'm very period correct, early 2000s wheels. Got Audi making some noise. Back in the white wheels. Bagged Toyota Crown Estate here once again, looking very clean. Got the bagged V6 Golf coming. Just rolled up. Got another Mark IV Golf with an intercooler very exposed out the front. It's got the neons on show as well. What do you prefer, turbo 4-cylinder or naturally aspirated V6? Ooh. I do like turbos, but the V6 does sound good. So we've got another S13 with another 326 power style wing. This time in a nice cream. So the Origin over fenders, got the cage, ride buckets, Takata harnesses. Got a wheel in there, not quite sure what wheel it is. This thing looks sick. We got the first white chaser of the night. It's pretty cool. We got the TRD Sports wheels. Wheels, seats in there. It's a nice steering wheel as well. I am not sure on the brand of wheels. It looks like we've got TRD calipers, and I noticed at the front, TRD Sports front grille. So we've got an R35 GTR here, and we've got a little bit of trivia on the side of the Civic Type R here. If you know what that's remarking on the door there, then you are a true JDM car fan. If not, then educate yourself. It's a very bright Mark II MX-5 with the pink harnesses, the contrast on the inside. Nice wheels. Got the mixed match wheels, of course. Hard top. Interior's quite nice, quite simple. Quite like the colour, to be fair. It really pops. Got this OG, very Max Power-esque Astra van that just rolled up. That's cool. Look at this, a crazy DIY paint job on this MX-5 here. Got another Crown Estate rolling in. So we've got the orange 350Z rolling in. Got the 190E on bags, on the BBS wheels, looking epic. Got the Datsun Sunny pickup. So the back's all been rhino line, as the Aussies would like to say. The Datsun Sunny U is for sale. Got another Supra, this one in silver, sat next to a Nardo Grey 350, rocking purple neons. And we've got the Chaser with the everyone loves the white Chaser t-shirt on display, boost gauge on the dash, fitment looking nice. This may be the one that threw the crank pulley off near the end of last year, so it's good to see this thing back up. Got a bit of a rare underrated motor right here, the Subaru Forester STI, of course in the iconic Subaru blue. Got this sick Mark IV Golf in this green here. It's looking real nice. Got the laid out caddy sat next to it as well. So we got this pretty sick Mark I MX-5 here. It looks like it has an actual spec series cage in it. Not 100% sure if it is, but it's got all the door bars and everything, so Definitely looks very rugged. Set next to a Jordan edition EK Civic, looking very nice with the bronze wheels, and then the PMU blue style calipers. So I believe we've got a little L200 here, and yeah, I'm sure you all know what engine that is down in the comments. It's on NKR PF1s. Are they PF1s or the other ones, the NTs? I always get my NKs mixed up. It looks sick, man. It's cool to see like a truck so low, and it's got carbon hood as well. A carbon hood on a truck. Never seen that. Carbon vented as well, and it is authentic carbon. Look, you can literally see through the hood. That's sick. Wasn't expecting to see this. But the little McDonald's Seat making a lot of noise. Yellow one red. A little JZX gang right here. We've got the white Mark II, we've got the black Chaser. And then keeping in theme with the JZs, got a white Supra with the Recaras in. Looking nice. The MX-5 with a new shade of blue on it this time. Still rocking the white front bumper though. It's looking a little more beat up than last time though. Interior, still looking pretty much as was. Got the return of the RC drift cars, this time a wide body 350. So we've got this R34 right here. It's not a GTR, but judging by the fitment, judging by the cage, judging by the wheels, and judging by the fact that there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's a fuel cell. This thing is made to party. I haven't seen under the hood, but I suspect maybe RB25. See a hydro in the OMP buckets, driftwork harnesses. I mean, it's a 34 drift car, like, you can't argue with that. Got another bagged crown, this time it's the Athlete sedan model. Very big dish on these wheels. I mean, I can literally fit my phone in the dish. Oh, we got an A86 rolling in. That with the pop-ups. Now that is what I'm talking about. True Panda spec A86. Has it got a nice little clean MX-5 rolling through? This IS200 of the Altezza front bumper, although it could be an Altezza. My mistake if it is. Very nice wheels, got the pretty cool looking tint on it. Got the pretty rapid little rally out Colt as well with the got a little Sakura Japanese cherry blossom details on there. We got the bad boy race car S14 with the flamingo strut chassis mount wing. Of course, the screamer coming straight out the hood. This thing is cool. I love the wing stands, to be honest. It's got this really nice turquoise EG Civic, the single bride in a cage, and then we got this Civic as well, with the cage matching the livery. Really don't see many done to this generation of Civic, so it's pretty sick, and I absolutely love this color. It looks absolutely insane. We got another JZ trio Supra, and we got a Crown, and we got another Crown as well, and the Turbo 350Z as well. So we got another sick Honda trio, another coupe and a hatch, only this time DC5 Integra. It's been absolutely gone to town. Looks like lightweight doors, Lexan windows, nicely done up engine, fully stripped and caged. And then the other Honda, there's another turquoise EG with a carbon hood on NKR PF1s. Same again, look nice, but that Integra looks pretty damn savage. Japme never ceases to amaze me with what turns up. So we have MX-5 4-cylinder in a Hyundai of some sorts. A Honda I'd never seen before. diddy little wheels, love those. Got the bikes rolling out, making some noise. See what this is. It is a Hyundai Stella 1.6 SL. Now that is something I've never seen before, let alone one with a Mazda swap. And it is Jay-Z S13 time. Oh, smell the fuel already. That drift car life. Well, the diff problems. Alright, let's quickly get to the exit and see if we can capture it leaving. We made it with time to spare. We've got the A86 parked up, half cage and the Sparko buckets in it. I bet this thing is so sick to drive on B roads. It's pretty sick Astra. 5-door, the VXR swap, massive rear mount wing. So we've got an E36 sedan, and nice big turbo slapped onto it. Looking good. So this Mercedes just decided to start doing a burnout for some reason. Yeah. I have no idea. There was not even like anyone was stood there watching, so kind of pointless. Here we've got the Gold 350Z parked up. Another JZX100 Chaser in black. Looking at very nice. There's a Civic and a guy in a booth with a miniature engine going around revving for some reason. Got this little bit of a drift pig of a 36 compact here. With a monster can just casually sat there in the bumper. So we got this Vauxhall VXR8 sat right here. Look at that. 6.2 litre LS3 V8. Absolutely sick. Got this slammed A1 or S1. The boot's up so I can't see the badge on rotor forms. Some pipes. So we've got a sound system in the back. Of course on air. Doesn't sound too bad to be fair. One series is going off. The Mercedes AM. Massive engine, 6.2 V8. There comes the Civic with the little engine in the back. Got the sick bagged C63 here as it looks like the purple MX-5 is rolling out. But the MX-5 spot has now been claimed by a Civic. And if I'm not mistaken, This isn't just any Civic. Yes, it has a domino sign on the roof, but that's not what I'm talking about. We believe this is the turbo Civic that we've seen down here previously, and we're about to get that confirmation. As you can see on the RPF ones, got the GT3 style tint, and there you guys go, the ram horn intake with the turbo down there. Absolutely love old school turbocharged Hondas. They're just absolutely insane. Of course, we got Brad making another appearance with the 7.5 ST. Got this nice Hawkeye WRX here, a nice little livery down the side. Well, that definitely explains why the 1 Series cab was being a savage. It's got a massive turbo bolted to it. Of course, we got the regular Mark 7 TSI Golf with a big wing on the back, the car, well, black front end. But this, I wasn't expecting to see a 1 Series cab with a massive turbo in it. So it's a bit obvious that the vehicle we're looking at is on air, and it's a pretty sick looking boot build for the air tank setup. Sat on a blob-eye STI with the flares in the infamous Subi metallic blue. I'm liking the colour of the calipers, really makes them pop behind the wheels. This thing looks sick. And then we got same colour, but we got a bug eye sat next to it. Which generation do you prefer, bug eye, blob eye? Personally, I'm a Hawkeye guy, but since that's closest to the Hawkeye, I'll go blob eye. We even have a special guest this month, 2 special guests. My mum is out there for some reason, but you know, she's been there for a while, to be fair. I'm about to head back over to where we're parked, show you who else is here. Also got a Grom and a little Benelli rolling in, and a Civic with a carbon front end. Van blocked it. There it is, Civic with a carbon front end. And we have pretty cool looking 7 Series coming in, as well as we've got a police car camping just there, and an E36 Cabriolet rolling out. As the Range Rover comes past, kept it rolling because we've got the beautiful Crown Estate rolling out. We've got MT9 rolling in, or it could be the MT7, either or. Still a nice bike. We're ending things off with an S14 Cokie on R33 wheels. We got Matt down here, of course. We got another special guest. We got Dylan finally down in Japmeet. Now he's finally on the road with 4 wheels. Of course, we got Ray, and then we got the WR parked up. Something is going off over there. Alright, so we're done in the car park. We're at the exit. Pedal and pop. It's a little pedal and pop, look at it. Oh, we've got a van. Oh, R32 Golf. Pedal stop. Yeah, it looked like a WR. It's a bit slow though. Ah, we just got the turbo flutter from the Crown and an MX-5. So we've got another Crown rolling out. The MR2 rolling out. Almost forgot to put his lights on. And yeah, they still don't seem to care. Oh hey, we got a classic little Mini with flares on it. Look at that. I know my camera still isn't great. I'm still on the phone, but hey, at least my camera lens is fixed for this month, and hopefully the rest of the month. the sound of a Honda. And there it is. Got the Jay-Z of the Sora. Oh, military defender just rolled past. Nice. There goes the WRX, the little livery. We got the Forester STI rolling out. I actually really like those. BMW Z3 rolling out in a very nice blue. But I'm doing the lazy boy. A little bit of diesel limiter, a little bit of diesel smoke. Got a V8 Jag rolling out. M4. The purple Micra and the IS200 wagon. Oh, there goes my mum and brother. Got the Focus with the max power wing on it. There's Aaron with his Subaru rolling out. By crew R125. Got a little Lotus Elise rolling out, Series 3. There's the E36 Touring. The white wheels. VR6 Golf. We've got one of the STI hatches leaving. And the other one. And we got a black Chaser rolling out as well. Baby, let's go. Got the A35 AMG, come on, female owned as well, let's go. Got the Air Ride Golf. The M3 and a 350Z. This is the brightest factory colour Mini I've ever seen. As we've got the Mazda Speed 3 coming past. Got a very, very loud Corsa. There goes the Cream S13 and a 36 compact. So we've got the Mark II leaving as well now. And we've got the second Chaser. Shocker rolling out. There goes the Hyundai with the MX-5 engine. Got the GTR. And the Civic. And a police car coming out to sit here, I guess. And we've got a cage Saxo, look at that. I remember seeing this in there, but looks like a Holden Monaro GTS. Got the Volvo wagon. There goes the GTR and the Civic. Golf going, and we've got the MX-5 as well. Got the Chaser. The Mini's blocking it, but we've got the MR2 leaving. Golf R. Very nice. I do like that blue. Oh, we got Bradley in the S2. We got Dylan in the titanium. Got the L200 leaving. Got another Golf leaving as well. And a loud Golf. There's the Track Civic Coupe. .350 making some noise. It's a bike in the Track Civic. Got an M4 leaving. MX-5 with some sort of rack arrangement on the boot. Just did a stoppie. Woo, that's some flames. Got pink headlights on the Audi. Got the 370 Nismo. Got the 190E. Here's the Garda Performante Spider. Oh. Got an E36 Cabriolet, look at that. There goes the Nissan truck. To say 45. Turbo floaters from the Mini. Another Asbo Focus ST, being behaved though. Got the Nardo Grey 350 with the purple neons. So we've got the rear mounted wing Golf leaving. Got Turbo MX-5 coming past. Got a Supra leaving. Just cruising. Oh, they got flashing blue lights. Crown Estate leaving. 350Z. S14 leaving. Hey, Peugeot gang, come on, another 206. Bet he was gassed at that. Got the yellow 350 rolling out. Sounded nice. Oh, we got Jordan in the C63, hello. And A-Class. Here's what we came to the exit for. Hemi Cuda, 383 cubic inch Hemi V8. Got over just in time. Jesus Christ! What did they use to the exhaust on that Mercedes? A fucking cowbell? Got an S2K coming out. And an OG Polo. We got the Bug Eye Scooby rolling out. And a blow-by. Got the white wheels on the Audi. Got the Duke. Got the infamous Asbo Chaser rolling out. Got the GR Yaris rolling out. Here we go, home next time. Oh, thank God on our own airports. Loudest fucker here, and probably one of these smallest engines. As we got the Supra rolling out with the Paul Walker style green underglow. Ah, gotta love it. Yeah, that's it. He's got the Civic now. That's it. We got a Turbo MX-5 leaving. We got the white MX-5. The Colt Rally Art leaving. There's Steve's 400 brake forged 1.8T Golf. E39 540i, hello. 4 litre V8. Got the caged Integra rolling out. And we've got the Preludes as well. The S14 on the R34 GTR wheels leaving as well. Just casually doing some donies, you know, as you do. Probably like 7 horsepower. I mean, it is like bare old. I think that's a Puch Maxi, you know. Got turquoise Civic, Del Sol, the caged turquoise Civic, and the Fiesta. There goes the silver one, and there goes Mr. 50. And so it looks like we've got the Jordan coming, along with a couple of EKs. Some SR noises from the 13 over there. And we've got the green F8 EM4. Pretty cool colour. Got the Corolla leaving. Got the S13 leaving. Got the Turbo Civic leaving. And a Mini. Thumbs up from the boys in the Corolla. Looks like we have the last few cars gonna catch her on their way out. We've got an old school Nissan Sunny leaving. The Honda Civic and the Micro. So that is it for this month. Jet meet was quite mad somehow. Pretty much the last people left in the car park. Fortunately, a little incident's happened back there, but everyone's alright. Just some scraped plastics, a little bit of hurt pride. But if you like the video, be sure to, of course, smack the like button, leave a comment down below, and of course links for the socials, especially the HSD Monomotive Instagram, where you can find the pictures I took from the meet, will be down below. And also don't forget to check out Sick GFX and get yourself some Illuminate merch. I've been doing terrible with plugging that, my bad, but hey, we're back. We got the new lens, we've had a little break, we're back in the swing of things. So until next one, peace.